Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about ether channel configuration. Okay, so we have an activity here, empty topology. You have to read the instructions. Okay, these are the instructions. We already have PDF format also. So here, implement ether channel. So we have to add a 2960 switch, three numbers. Okay, switch we have to give the name as SWA, SWB, SWC. Okay, and we need to create three port channels. These are the port numbers, these are the ether channel protocols given. Okay, these are the three steps. So before that, Mr., what is known as ether channel, why we are doing this, then we'll go for this. Okay, so I'll go for the chapter. So ether channel, just I will go. Okay, so see here, and all, no, here we have only one link between computer to switch, switch to switch, switch to computer, and we have only 100 mbps bandwidth or speed. Okay, if I want to increase the speed between two switches, okay, if I want to increase the speed between two switches to 200 mbps, what I will do, I have to connect two cables in parallel. Each one will have 100 mbps connection. But problem, as we discussed in the previous chapter, when you are connecting two cables parallelly, there will be a loop formed. Okay, and what happens? No, the spanning tree protocol, it will avoid the loops by blocking one port and forwarding or make another port in forward mode. Okay, so whenever you are connecting this two links parallelly, usually the problem is spanning tree protocol, no, they will avoid loop by making one port block. Okay, and the solution is ether channel. Okay, so what we do is we will do ether channel or link aggregate means, aggregation means sum. Okay, collective. So we take two physical links into a single logical link. Okay, or a port channel. We take two physical links. See, fa0 bar 4, 0 bar 5 connected between switch 0 to switch 1. We are taking these two links and making it as a single logical link or port channel, so that we can send the data with double the bandwidth speed and without affecting the spanning tree protocol, without being affected by spanning tree protocol. Okay, see here, link aggregation technology. Link means, you know, the link cables. Aggregation means sum or group. Okay, allows redundant links. So we have redundant links between the devices, but will not be blocked by STP. Usually STP will block this which one, duplicate links or redundant links, but here STP will not block because we configure the ether channel concept. Okay, so see here again, uh, multiple links connected between devices to increase bandwidth. Okay, I have two links connected between S1 and S2, and will they increase the bandwidth? No, one link is 100 mbps, then we have two links means 200 mbps. Okay, and STP also enabled, but here in this case it will not block the redundancy. Okay, so because we configure ether channel. Okay, so a link aggregation technology needed which allow redundant links between devices that will not be blocked by STP. Usually STP will block the duplicate ports and make loop free topology, but here STP will not block the ports because I am using ether channel. Ether channel concept means two physical link combined to form a single logical link or port channel, and they will have double the bandwidth. Okay, see, ether channel is a link aggregation technology that group multiple physical ethernet links together into single logical link. See here, I have two physical link. I will combine this into a single logical link or port channel. Okay, two physical link which I can see 1 and 2. I combine, aggregate any combine or group or sum into a single logical channel or single port channel. Okay, this is ether channel. Who developed this? Cisco. Okay, why do we need this? One reason, redundancy. Another reason is bandwidth will be increased. Okay, we can even group fast ethernet or giga ethernet ports. Okay, then advantages is like it relies on existing switch port. I don't want to add any special feature for the port. You can use the same existing ports. Okay, and it creates an aggregation as a single logical link. So as I told you, know, two physical link combined forms one port channel or single logical link. It provides redundancy. We have two links now. One link is down, you can use another link. Okay. And see, maximum 8 compatible configured Ethernet ports are there, and total 800 Mbps in fast Ethernet. So if I'm using fast Ethernet port, right? So cable means one is 100 Mbps, so 8 means 800 Mbps. If I use gigabit Ethernet, one is 1 Gbps bandwidth. If I have 8 cables, no, 8 Gbps. And Cisco 2960 switch supports only 6 Ether channels. Okay, the Ether channel can be created by using two protocols: PAGP, port aggregation protocol; LACP, link aggregation protocol. What is the difference is, this is Cisco proprietary protocol. This is used for open standard, any standard they can use. Okay, so PAGP, Cisco proprietary protocol, or Cisco developed this one, used for Cisco device only. Open standard 802.3 AD, it can use any device, any network device. Okay, not only Cisco, you can use in Huawei, like that. Okay, then PAGP packets are sent for every 30 seconds for negotiation. Okay, so here no negotiation happens, so one link has to ask other one whether you are ready to form the Ether channel. So this is negotiation, right? So for that, PAGP packets are sent for every 30 seconds. Here automatic negotiation. Okay, and here the operating modes are on, desirable, auto. So both sides of the link, no, they should be either on, desirable, or auto. LACP operating modes, the both side of the link should be on, active, or passive. Okay, we'll see that modes. Okay, so the modes for PAGP as follows. On means both side of the Ether channel, the both ports are on. On means no negotiation, there is no PAGP packet sent. Immediately this mode forces two switches to be in Ether channel. Okay, PAGP desirable means this is a active negotiating state. So this switch where I configure PAGP desirable, they will initiate negotiation with other switch port. Okay, so example, I have two switches here. Let me check the T. If I have PAGP configured in the, or which one, first mode, any on mode means both port should be on. Of both switches will have two ports, right? Each port should be on means immediately they will make the Ether channel, no need of negotiation. Second mode is, what is the second mode? Desirable mode means one switch will active negotiation. Okay, so this switch will active negotiate, yani they will send a PAGP packet, wait for the reply from this S2. So he is the one who takes the initiative. I will take the lead. I will ask other guy whether you are ready for the PAGP, say yes or no. Okay, this switch has to reply now. So that is auto mode. Auto mode means in this mode I will just reply. This is passive negotiation. Passive negotiation means he will respond. So here this guy will respond, yes, I am ready for the negotiation. He cannot ask. Okay, he can only negotiate. So these are three modes. Okay, so S1 S2 both are on means channel established, the channel established, yes. On, one side is on, other side is desirable or auto, no Ether channel configured. Desirable, desirable, both are desirable, both can negotiate, any, yes, Ether channel created. Desirable one side, other side auto, yes. Okay, desirable is I am asking you negotiation, this is I am supporting you, auto. So okay, yes, Ether channel configured. Then another one, auto desirable, yes, also possible. Auto, auto, no, because anybody has to take the lead, right? Anybody. Auto means I am not going to take any lead, I will reply for, if any you are requesting for either channel, I will reply yes or no. But here both are auto means they cannot create either channel. So this case either channel is not created. Okay, understood this one? If I ask you both side has to negotiate means desirable, desirable. If one side negotiate, other side reply means desirable, auto. Okay, no negotiation, immediately create Ether channel in PAGP means on, on. Okay, LACP, it's for 802.3 AD, it's for every, not only Cisco, every other like Huawei or any other standard device you can use. Okay, three modes: on, active, passive. As you discussed earlier in the PAGP, on means no negotiation, no LACP package, just immediately force Ether channel, create Ether channel on both sides. If you have two switches, two ports, and on means they are in Ether channel automatically, no need of any negotiation. LACP active means here this switch port which is configured as active, they will make active negotiation. Yani they will ask the other port whether you are ready for the LACP. Then the other port should reply. They have to configure by passive. Passive means they will reply, yes, I am ready. This is passive. Okay. Here also we have on. Yes. On, active passive. No. Active yes. Active passive yes. Passive active yes. Passive both are passive means both are passive negotiation means no. Ether channel not possible. Okay, this is the configuration of ether channel. This is the theory of ether channel. How do we configure? Before we configure ether channel, make sure that both ports of the switch have same speed, same duplex mode and VLAN number. Okay, see 1 Gbps speed, duplex is full duplex, VLAN number is 10. Now, how do I configure either channel, port channel 1 phone in PAGP S1? What are the port numbers 1 to 2? So, range 0 bar 1 to 2. Channel group 1, mode desirable. See, desirable means both are active negotiators. Okay, exit. Then mention the port channel number and make it a strong port. Okay, remember these commands. Show ether channel summary. If it is showing port channel number 1, SU means in use. Okay, both are in use. PP, okay, both port channel. What are the channels? What are the port numbers in port channel? FA0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. See, 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. And SU, the status of the port channel is SU, in use. Number is port channel 1. Why? Because I configured here port channel 1. Okay, different other modes are the D means down. If anything is D here means some that will be down. So that particular interface or port channel is down. Okay, port is down. For LACP, just make the same thing, but modes will be not desirable. It will be active and active. Okay, remaining all same 5 to 6, 5 to 6. Okay, remaining all same. With the channel summary, same command we can see. TO5 SU, here it is LACP, the previous one it is PAGP. Okay, that's the difference. Now I'll go for the activity. How do we remove the ether channel? No in port channel 1, that particular number. Okay, this is what the theory part already discussed. Okay, let me go for the activity. I already opened the packet tracer here. What they are asking is 29603 switches. Okay, you want to add 29660 switches. Okay, so I will add go for the switches 29601, 29602, 29603. Okay, now they ask you to change the name of the switch, right? So name of the switch as SWA, SWB, SWC. Okay, I will make this SWA. To get the full mark, we need to give the same name. Okay, do not make any mistake in the name. Okay, SWB, and this one is SWC. SWC. Okay, now what are the ports we need to connect? Okay, that also will check. SWA to B 0 bar 1, G0 bar 1, G0 bar 2. Okay, here I have to choose. Maybe we'll go with the crossover. Okay, G0 bar 1, G0 bar 1 here, then G0 bar 2, G0 bar 2. This should be PAGP. So I will write that command also so that we will not get confused. Okay, PAGP like this. Okay, now what is the port channel 1, port channel number 1? Okay, so this will be PAGP like this. Okay, so I think here we'll write PAGP. Okay, and port channel 1. Yeah, okay. Now after that what I need is in between A to C, FA0 bar 21 and 22 LACP and port channel 2. Okay, A to C, right? Again let me check again. A to C, take this straight, sorry, crossover 21, 21, 22, 22, 22. Okay, again just checking 21, 21, 22 LACP port channel 2. Okay, so this I will copy paste and then I'll change the name. Okay, here this one will be like this is LACP LACP and port channel 2. Okay, that is done. LACP they give full capital. Okay, so I'll just so edit that one just for understanding. Just for okay, that's some formats are there. Now between C to B or B to C. B to C 23, 23, 23, 24. Okay, LACP 3. So this also 23, 24. 23, this is 23. Another one 24, 24. Now we want to edit this one, right? Control C, go here, Control V should be port channel 3. Done. Okay. Now I want to configure, and there are different modes. Okay, see here, 6% done. Okay, now here configure PAGP the channel between A to B, and both the side should negotiate. Both the side negotiation means the answer is desirable. Remember, both the side of the switch port negotiate means in PAGP desirable. See the answer here. See the table here. Okay. Okay. Active negotiating state, yani both we need to negotiate means both are active negotiator means desirable. So here we have desirable, yes, port channel possible. Okay, so I'll go to this here A to B, right? Let me check again because I have some, I forget. Okay, A to B, what are A to B ports? It is so how to see the port numbers, go here, options, preferences, and then always show port label. This one done. Now 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. Okay, G 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. Okay, now I will write here enable configure interface. As you know, if you have more than one port, you have to go for range G giga. Okay, 0/1 to 2. Then channel group, this one channel. Then I'm trying this command. Okay, so first time, so maybe that mistake is coming. So I'll just check the command here. Channel group as hyphen only. Sometimes it's not coming. Okay, same only, but I don't know why it's not coming. Channel. So right again, I will show you. Okay, otherwise you're confused. Okay, exit interface range giga 0/1 to 2 channel group 1 desirable. What happened? This one is okay, not coming. 10 gigas or on channel group. What happened? This one. What's the problem here? Same command only. Negotiate. Okay, interface port channel. Okay, seeing the question here. Channel same answer I have to type. Okay, channel group 1. So maybe it will. I'll first enable that, then come back. Okay. So range 1 channel group 1 desirable. Why it is not coming? Channel group 1. Channel group. Yes. 1. Mode desirable. Okay, then no shutter, exit. Okay, then see after that interface port channel 1, same port channel number. Okay, so here interface port channel 1 switch port mode trunk, then no shut, exit, do WR. Okay, now same thing we should do in the second switch, and switch B. Okay, go here, enable configure the interface range giga 0/1 to 2 channel group 1 mode desirable because both are in active transmission mode. Okay, what happened? Channel group 1 mode desirable, then no shut exit, then interface port channel 1 switch port mode trunk, switch port mode trunk, then no shut exit. Okay, now let me see whether it is configured or not. Show ether channel summary. Now see here, it is, now let me see here, it is up. Port channel 1 created. SU means it is in use. SU in use. See, both are PP. PP means port channel. Okay, that is done. And host name, I think I didn't configure host name. Let me see. Okay, host name is, this is SWB, other one is host name SWA. No marks for that, but still we need to make, right, we need to do that. Okay, so host name SWA, done. Now this one is done. Okay, let me check the percentage of 35. Okay, now between A and C, LACP, both side negotiate. So here see, both the side negotiation in LACP. This is PAGP, right? In PAGP, both negotiation means desirable. In LACP, both negotiate means active, active. Okay. Remember, in LACP, both side negotiate mean yani, yeah, active, 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 active. Okay. So here, I'll go to the A and C, right? A and C 22, 22, 23, 23. Okay. A and C interface range, and there it is FA0 bar 22, 23. Channel group 2 mode active, no shut exit, interface port channel 2 switch port mode trunk, no shut exit. Okay, do WR. Now same in C 22, 23, right? Let me check here. 22, same thing. 20, oh, 21, 22. Sorry, sorry, sorry. 21, 22. What I give is 22, 23, right? I gave, I think, 21. This one is wrong. So we need to configure this again. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to again interface range. Let me check here. No interface range. FH bar 22, 23. No. So interface range FH bar 22, 23. No channel. Okay, not possible. So what I will do, exit. No interface port channel 2. That's the only thing we have. Because we have a command here. How we disable that port channel. See, no interface port channel number. So here I made this mistake intentionally, purposefully, so that you can also delete that port channel. Okay, understood, right, Suleiman? Okay, yes, I did by, not by mistake, intentionally done it. Okay, Mr. SS, make it fast. Okay, yes. Now go for again interface range FA0 bar 21 to 22, channel group 2 mode active. Okay, no shut exit, then interface port channel 2 switch port mode trunk, no shut exit. Same, go to C. C also same LACP, both are negotiating mode yani active active. So again First thing I'll go for the host name. Okay, so host name swc, then interface range fa0/21 to 22, channel group 2 mode active, again channel group 2 mode active, then no shut exit, then interface port channel 2 switch port mode trunk, no shut exit, do wr. Now let me check the port channel created or not. Just I will make fast forward here. Okay, after that I'll go and check port channel created or not. Okay, how do we check? Show ether channel summary. See, it is SU. SU means port channel number PO2. SU means in use. And what is the protocol name? LACP. And what is the port number? 2122. 22 is inactive. What happened? Let me check here. 22 inactive. Hmm, what happened in 22 inactive? One is down now. Why it is inactive? What is the number here? What is the percentage here? It's 64. We have to check that. Okay, we'll check after some time. Okay, once I finish, I'll come back. Okay. Now backup LACP. Yeah, 21 22 same only. Okay, both are active, right? Both are active. Okay, let's see here. Go for the third one, then we'll come back and check. Okay, third one is port channel 3 between LACP, port channel between SWB and C. C initiates negotiation with B. Switch B does not negotiate. Yani the mode you are going to use between LACP, two switches B and C are, the one is active, another one is passive. Both are active means both negotiate. Here one is active negotiate, other one is passive means active and passive. So C will be active, B will be passive. Okay. See here, B will be C will be negotiating, B will be just passive negotiator, does not negotiate, just reply. Okay, so this is active C, B will be passive. The port numbers are 23 24. Okay, so go back here, C. Okay, interface range. What was the range? 23 24, right? No. 24. Okay, here range FA 0 bar 23.24, channel group 3 active. Okay, mode is missing. 3 mode active, no shut exit, interface port channel 3 switch port mode trunk, no shut exit. Okay, do WR. What was the port number? 23 and 24, right? Now go to B, enable, configure range, interface range FA 0 bar 23 to 24, uh, channel group 3 mode passive, because this is not active negotiator, so passive. What happened? Mode passive. Okay, group spelling mistake, because Mr. Don't be so fast, huh? We want to follow. Yes, now again showing the command channel group 3 mode passive, then no shut, then exit, then create port channel, interface port channel 3, then switch port mode trunk, no shut exit, do WR. Then I'll fast forward this one. Now see what is the percentage I receive. Okay, 93. Still there are some errors. I'll check that. Okay, that's why it is 93%. Okay, let me check here whether the port channel created or not. Let me check here. And to ether channel summary. This is SU. First one is SU. Okay. One is inactive now. Okay. Port 3 also. Okay. So this one. In C, there is one 22 is inactive. Let me check what is the problem 22. Okay, 22. So 22, let me check, is it same 22? Let me check. No, cancel. I will check, remove the cable and connect again. Okay. Now I will 22 and 22. No, 22, just take 22 here, 22 from here to 22 of here. Oh, okay. Now let me check the this one. Okay, commands. Okay. Show ether channel summary. Okay, still there. I inactive. So what I will do, I'll go back to this one and check the result. Where is the error I made? Okay, assessment items. Incorrect device configuration. Where it is? SW link. Okay, SWA link to SWC. Type. What was the type? All the three types are included. Okay, all the four types. What was the type? Which port no triangle? What is the type incorrect? They check the code, switch port, what is the configuration? One more time, that's all right. Port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Type, what is the type? To check that. Connects incorrect device connection. Okay, maybe that port number they mentioned. Okay, this is like 21, 21 connects to 22. Type, okay, okay. I'll go with the maybe type of cable. Let me see the type of cable. Not this one. We'll go with this one. This is on this one, right? This is different. Go with our activity. This one I have to close. Then I will come back here. I will remove these things and put the straight through, and let's see. Okay. This one I'll put G0 bar 1. G0 bar 1. Okay. G0 bar 2. Done. Now any change here? How much percentage increased? Anything here increased? 95. I think that's the only reason. Okay. So instead of crossover, just go for the straight through. Okay, this is 21, 22, right? So go with 21, 21. This is 22. This is 22. Also done. Now last one. These two also I'll remove, and I'll put this one. What was it? 23, 24, right? 23, 23, and this is 24, 24, like this. Now let's see the percentage. I think it will be 100 now. 100 colors. Okay, that's all. All if the channels are configured, you can just go and check the channel summary. Everything will be PPP. Okay, and there will be no I. Okay, that's all. If the channel is done, now I'll stop the video.